If your iPhone gets stolen, you have exactly 10 minutes before it disappears forever. They call the number, they cry, they go to the police. But by then, the thief has already turned off your phone, removed your SIM, and wiped everything. Here's the secret. Go to settings and turn on 3 things. 1. Find my iPhone. On. 2. Find my network. On. This is the key. 3. Send last location. On. Now, even if a thief turns off your phone, the 2 billion Apple devices around the world will find it for you. Silently, secretly, turn these on right now before it's too late. Subscribe to iTech Secrets.